Y'all done? Y'all done?
Usually go to the corner and stand there. Oh boy! Ooh! That's nice. That may be the all done signal right there.
Y'all done?
Yep. Looks like you can take me out now. Oh, maybe not.
You want out? You want out? Y'all done?